Habits can make you or mar you. How, you may ask? Listen to this captivating story as we delve into 7 money habits that will transform your life, proven tips from millionaires. In the quaint village of prosperity, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a man named Harold, renowned for his curious money habits. Harold was a legend, not for his wealth, but for the tales that grew around his peculiar financial behaviors. Every Friday, Harold visited the village bakery to buy a single loaf of bread. He always paid with exact change, never a coin more or less. The baker, a jovial woman named Mabel, often wondered how he managed to have the exact amount every time. The villagers, too, were intrigued, believing Harold possessed a mysterious ability to predict his weekly expenditure. One rainy afternoon, a curious young boy named Timmy decided to follow Harold to uncover the secret. Timmy was fascinated by the stories of Harold's frugality and wanted to learn the art of his precise money management. Harold led Timmy through the cobblestone streets to his modest home, filled with the scent of old books and the warmth of a crackling fireplace. Harold invited Timmy inside and offered him a seat by the fire. "Timmy," Harold began, "money is like a garden. If you nurture it, it will grow. If you neglect it, it will wither." He reached for a worn leather journal on the wooden table beside him. Opening the journal, Harold revealed pages filled with meticulous notes and diagrams. "This," he said, "is my financial garden. Every coin has a purpose, every expenditure a reason." Harold explained how he kept track of every penny he earned and spent. He showed Timmy his system of envelopes, each labeled for a different expense: food, utilities, savings, and even a small one for unexpected surprises. Harold never deviated from his budget, and each week he reviewed his journal to ensure he stayed on track. "But what about the exact change?" Timmy asked, his eyes wide with curiosity. Harold chuckled and leaned closer. "That's the simplest part, my boy. Every day I set aside a small amount in a special jar, just for the bakery. By Friday, it's always the right amount for a loaf of bread." Timmy was amazed. "Is that how you manage to live so comfortably, even though you don't seem to earn much?" Harold nodded. "Indeed, it's not about how much you earn, but how you manage what you have. I've learned to live within my means, saving for the future while enjoying the present." As the days passed, Timmy began to emulate Harold's habits. He started his own journal, saved his pennies, and learned the art of budgeting. The villagers noticed the change in Timmy and marveled at his newfound discipline. Years later, Timmy grew up to be a prosperous merchant, known far and wide for his wise financial practices. He often credited his success to Harold's teachings and the simple yet powerful lesson that money, when managed well, could bring not just wealth, but peace and contentment. And so the story of Harold and his curious money habits became a cherished legend in the village of prosperity, inspiring generations to come to nurture their own financial gardens with care and wisdom. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of personal finance and share valuable insights to help you achieve financial success. In today's video, we will be discussing the 7 money habits that have the power to transform your life. Have you ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest when it comes to managing their finances? The answer lies in their habits, the daily routines and practices that shape their financial success. By understanding and adopting these habits, you too can pave the way for a brighter financial future. In this video, we will not only highlight the importance of actionable financial advice from millionaires, but also provide you with practical steps to implement these habits in your own life. From budgeting and saving to investing and building multiple streams of income, we will cover it all. By the end of this video, you can expect to learn how to take control of your finances, set achievable financial goals, and ultimately work towards financial freedom. So grab a pen and paper, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive into the 7 money habits that will transform your life. Habit 1. Setting clear financial goals. One of the fundamental money habits that can truly transform your financial journey is setting clear and specific financial goals. Without a roadmap to guide your actions, it's easy to veer off course and lose sight of your objectives. By defining your financial goals, you not only give yourself a sense of direction, but also create a powerful source of motivation to propel you forward. Millionaires understand the importance of setting ambitious yet achievable financial goals. They know that having a clear target in mind allows them to focus their efforts and make strategic decisions that align with their objectives. Whether it's saving a certain amount for retirement, purchasing a dream home, or starting a successful business, millionaires set concrete goals and work diligently towards achieving them. To establish your own financial targets, start by identifying what matters most to you in terms of your financial future. Whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or increasing your investment portfolio, be specific about what you want to accomplish. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and set deadlines to keep yourself accountable. Remember, the key to success lies in setting clear, measurable, and time-bound financial goals that inspire you to take action and stay committed to your financial journey. Habit 2. Creating and following a budget. Budgeting is a cornerstone of financial success, and mastering this habit can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. By creating and diligently following a budget, you gain control over your expenses, prioritize your financial goals, and pave the way for effective saving and investing. Millionaires understand the power of budgeting as a tool for managing their expenses and building wealth. They recognize that a well-crafted budget not only helps them track their income and spending, but also enables them to allocate resources efficiently towards their financial objectives. By adhering to a budget, millionaires ensure that every dollar is working towards their long-term financial success. To develop your own budgeting strategy, start by tracking your income and expenses to understand your financial habits and patterns. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and allocate those savings towards your financial goals. Set realistic spending limits for different categories such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment to ensure that you stay within your means. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting yourself, but rather about making intentional choices that align with your financial priorities. By creating a personalized budgeting plan and committing to following it consistently, you can take control of your finances and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Habit 3. Investing wisely for long-term growth. Investing wisely is a crucial money habit that can significantly impact your long-term financial growth and stability. By strategically allocating your resources into investments that have the potential to grow over time, you can build wealth, generate passive income, and secure your financial future. Strategic investing offers a multitude of benefits, including the opportunity to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts, hedge against inflation, and diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Millionaires understand the power of investing in assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds to grow their wealth steadily over the years. When it comes to successful investment strategies, millionaires often prioritize diversification, long-term thinking, and disciplined risk management. They leverage their knowledge of the market, seek advice from financial experts, and continuously educate themselves on investment opportunities to make informed decisions that align with their financial goals. For those looking to start investing wisely, it's essential to begin by setting clear investment objectives, assessing your risk tolerance, and creating a diversified investment portfolio. Consider starting with low-cost index funds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to build a solid foundation for your investment journey. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment, and patience, consistency, and sound decision-making are key to achieving financial success through strategic investments. Habit 4. Continuous learning and financial education. Continuous learning and financial education play a pivotal role in achieving financial success and securing your financial future. In a rapidly evolving economic landscape, staying informed about financial trends, investment opportunities, and money management strategies is essential to make informed decisions and adapt to changing circumstances. Millionaires understand the value of ongoing self-education when it comes to managing their finances. They prioritize expanding their financial knowledge, seeking out new opportunities, and staying ahead of the curve to make strategic decisions that align with their long-term financial goals. By continuously learning and staying informed, millionaires position themselves for success and are better equipped to navigate the complexities of the financial world. To enhance your own financial knowledge and skills, consider exploring a variety of resources such as books, podcasts, online courses, and financial news outlets. Take advantage of educational platforms and tools that offer insights into personal finance, investing, budgeting, and wealth-building strategies. Engage with financial experts, attend seminars or workshops, and participate in online communities to exchange ideas and learn from others in the field. Remember, investing in your financial education is an investment in yourself and your future financial well-being. By committing to continuous learning and staying informed about financial matters, you empower yourself to make informed decisions, seize opportunities, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. Habit 5. Practicing discipline and delayed gratification. Discipline and delayed gratification are key principles that underpin effective financial management and long-term wealth accumulation. By exercising self-control, making thoughtful financial decisions, and prioritizing long-term goals over immediate desires, you can set yourself on a path towards financial stability and success. Self-control and delayed gratification are essential for achieving long-term financial benefits, such as building savings, reducing debt, and growing investments. By resisting the temptation to overspend, impulse buy, or indulge in instant gratification, you can allocate resources towards your financial goals, cultivate healthy spending habits, and secure your financial future. Millionaires exemplify discipline in their spending and investment choices by adhering to budgets, setting financial boundaries, and making strategic decisions that align with their long-term objectives. They understand the importance of delayed gratification in delaying short-term pleasures for greater rewards in the future. Whether it's achieving financial independence, retiring early, or leaving a legacy for future generations. To cultivate discipline in your financial habits, start by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget and tracking your expenses to identify areas where you can exercise restraint. Practice mindful spending, differentiate between needs and wants, and avoid impulsive purchases that derail your financial progress. By developing discipline and embracing delayed gratification, you can take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and work towards a more secure financial future. Habit 6. Building multiple streams of income. Diversifying income sources is a powerful money habit that can provide financial stability, resilience, and opportunities for growth. By creating multiple streams of income, you can reduce reliance on a single source, increase your earning potential, and build a more secure financial foundation for the future. Having multiple streams of income offers several advantages, including increased financial security, flexibility, and the ability to weather economic downturns or unexpected expenses. By generating income from various sources such as employment, side hustles, investments, rental properties, or online businesses, you can create a diversified income portfolio that supports your financial goals and aspirations. Millionaires understand the importance of building multiple streams of income to enhance their financial security and wealth-building potential. They leverage their skills, resources, and networks to generate income from a variety of sources, allowing them to maximize their earning potential and create opportunities for passive income generation. To start building additional income streams, consider exploring opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and resources. Whether it's freelancing, starting a small business, investing in real estate, or creating digital products, there are numerous ways to diversify your income streams and increase your earning potential. Take the time to assess your strengths, explore new opportunities, and gradually build additional sources of income to enhance your financial stability and long-term growth. Habit 7. Giving back and practicing gratitude. Giving back to society and practicing gratitude are integral components of a successful financial mindset that not only benefit others but also contribute to personal well-being and financial success. By cultivating a spirit of generosity, empathy, and gratitude, you can create a positive impact on the world around you and foster a sense of abundance and fulfillment in your own life. Philanthropy and gratitude have the power to enhance personal well-being, promote a sense of purpose, and strengthen social connections. By giving back to causes you care about, supporting charitable organizations, or volunteering your time and resources, you can make a meaningful difference in the lives of others and contribute to the greater good of society. Millionaires often incorporate giving back into their financial habits as a way to give back to their communities, support causes they are passionate about, and leave a positive legacy. They understand the importance of using their wealth and influence to make a positive impact on the world and create a lasting legacy that extends beyond financial success. To practice gratitude and give back in your own life, consider finding ways to support charitable organizations. Volunteer your time and skills, or simply express appreciation for the blessings in your life. Whether it's donating to a cause, helping those in need, or expressing gratitude to loved ones, small acts of kindness and generosity can have a ripple effect that spreads positivity and abundance in the world. By incorporating giving back and practicing gratitude into your financial mindset, you can cultivate a sense of purpose, fulfillment, and abundance that transcends monetary wealth. The 7 money habits discussed in this video have the potential to transform your financial life and set you on the path to long-term success and prosperity. By adopting these habits and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. From setting clear financial goals and creating a budget to investing wisely, continuous learning, practicing discipline, building multiple streams of income, and giving back, each of these habits plays a crucial role in shaping your financial future. By prioritizing self-improvement, financial education, and strategic decision-making, you can unlock your full potential and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. We encourage you to take action today and start implementing these money habits in your own life. Set specific financial goals, create a budget, explore investment opportunities, commit to continuous learning, practice discipline, diversify your income streams, and find ways to give back to others. Small steps taken consistently over time can lead to significant financial growth and transformation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these wealth-building strategies. Together, let's empower ourselves and others to achieve financial success and create a brighter future for all. Thank you for watching.